I will give you a quotation that will fit your pocket. So yeah, I've got some steel. So this comes from a big gate. So this was a big gate, and I'm gonna make a smaller gate with all these iron bars that wasn't so rusted. So yeah, just me cutting off the edges so that I can have a better weld and cleaning some of the iron because the iron was a bit dirty, taking off the paint. So no, you can't weld really on paint, it's a bit difficult. But yeah, me just extending the bar a bit, then I can have a longer bar because the bars that I had was a little bit too short. So I just weld the bar, extend the bar. So this is the three bars what will stable the gate. Please like and follow to see what pattern I will put into this gate. So the gate is stabilized, so I just need to put the pattern. So please like and follow, then you will see what pattern I put into the gate.